hi guys, it's Riri K-pop Uni and welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, so may good news ako for us concert goers, OMG. So ayan, so may bago na tayong ticketing website guys. So hindi na lang tayo sa SM Tickets, sa Ticketnet, and sa Ovation makakabili ng mga concert tickets guys. So meron na tayong Pulp Tickets, ayan. So yes, bagong ticketing website ito guys, and pwede tayong bumili ng concert tickets dito. So of course, yung AAA and of course yung Fate Tour, alam nyo na, Pulp ang may hawak nun. So alam nyo na, dito tayo bibili ng tickets, OMG. Purely online itong Pulp Tickets guys ha. And yes, in this video, titingnan natin kung paano bumili ng tickets sa Pulp Tickets. Iwa-walk through ko kayo and yes, para of course, alam na natin ang gagawin natin sa AAA and of course sa Fate Tour. Pero before that guys, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and of course, click the notification bell para ma-notify sa aking mga video. So yes guys, let's get it! And nakapasok na tayo sa website guys, and ang unang makikita is itong details ng event na pupuntahan mo. So ayan, so Asia Artist Award December 14 at Philippine Arena. Ayan. So yung admission pala dito guys, kung ilan yung tickets na gusto mong bilhin. So ayan. So try ko dalawa. Ayan. And then, show ticket prices. So, makikita mo dito yung mga ticket prices. Ayan. And then, dito, magsaselect ka ng seat na gusto mo. And then, pag nagselect ka ng seat, guys, yung isa-select ng system sa'yo is yung best seat para sa dalawa. Ayan. So, ganon. Hindi na siya pwedeng mag-select ng gusto mo. Best seat na yan for 2. Ayan. So, magkatabi na kayo. Ganon. And then, makikita nyo dito yung seat allocation. Ayan, ganyan. And then, try natin mag-buy now. Ayan. And then, after that, makita mo yung booking summary. So, kung meron kang membership, like, of course, sa Weavers, sa darating na Fate Tour, ayan, dito mo i-input yung promo code. Pero wala tayo ditong promo code, so buy tickets na lang tayo dito. And then, so since dalawa kayo guys na manonood, so ilalagay nyo dito yung correct and complete name nyo. Dahil si Pulp Tickets guys, nagne-name verification yan. So ilagay nyo yung complete and correct name nyo. Okay? And then, check out tayo. So, kung meron ka ng account, guys, so of course, mag-login ka lang. Pero if wala pa, register ka na lang, guys. Okay? So, after nyo mag-login, pupunta kayo dito sa payment details. So, pwede dito Visa, Mastercard, GCash, GrabPay, and PayMaya. So, I will try na sa card. Ayan. So, kung card, ilagay nyo lang yung details nyo. And then, kapag GCash, next tayo. Ito yung total ko, guys. And of course, may ticketing fee tayo na 200 pesos kasi dalawang ticket yon. Okay? So, 100 each. So, take note of this, guys, ha. So, you cannot change ticket details after purchase. Okay? So, kaya kailangan talaga complete and correct details yung ilalagay nyo. So, buy tickets. So, ayan. So, since hindi ako mag-purchase ngayon, so, ilalagay nyo dito yung GCash details nyo, okay? Of course, wala tayong on-site for Pulp Tickets, so, online lang tayo. And, i-email nila yung e-ticket nyo sa email nyo, okay? So, yeah, sana natulungan kayo ng video na to. So, though hindi pa siya complete kasi of course hindi ko pinurchase yung ticket. Pero of course, ganun na yung flow ng pagbili ng ticket dito sa Pulp Tickets. Okay? So, yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and of course, click the notification bell para ma-notify sa ganitong video. So, yeah, thank you guys and annyeong!